Girls say I'm a player, they can't trust me, huh? I'm the greatest, yeah, nothing above me, huh? All I spit is true facts, nothing to lie about. People, they talk too much.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 360 Philly. I'm back for another video. You know, today I'm gonna be telling y'all why your ways probably not improving. And there's better ways you could be doing things which will make your progress come in way faster. So, basically, the first reason you probably not getting that much progress is because you probably not brushing as much as you should be brushing. Like you should be getting 45 minutes to an hour brush session every day, at least 2 times a day. So you know, right after school, just come home, get a brush session in, and then before you go to sleep, get another one in. Like just keep doing that, and then just keep brushing, right? Keep brushing, but you want to make sure you use the medium brush a lot though. I know y'all like to use that soft brush because it's soft, lays your hair down. But y'all use a medium brush. This is a soft, but I'm using the. Let's show what I'm working with real quick. Hold up. So I have been slacking though, but that's how I work right now. I'm trying to work on these forks right here, and my crown, and this But another reason why your weight's probably not improving is because you probably just vine brushing. Like, you gotta use a mirror to brush. My mirror broke. I'm using this one, but you gotta use a mirror to brush so you can see all your angles so you don't make no wrong turns, you know, create forks or dumb shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Just use a mirror. Make sure you're hitting the right angles. When you hit the right angles at the right time. Alright, wait. Yeah, if you hit your angles right, you're gonna get faster progress. Make sure you vertical brush. Vertical brushing gonna bring your progress way faster too. That's the major keys. So basically, you wanna brush way more, and you wanna use a mirror. And you wanna make sure you brush 45 minutes to an hour every single day, at least twice. Even though I don't do it like that because I be busy, you know. But I'm pretty sure y'all can do it. I do it sometimes, but not all the times. And you know, and you wanna use a all natural product, cause if you're using these all natural products, you're not gonna have natural shine. You're not gonna have healthy hair. Your hair can be dry. But if you use natural products, your hair gonna have a natural shine to it. Healthy. Like, yeah, just use natural stuff. And then just keep brushing, keep putting in that work. Your waves gonna get better. But that's all for today. And you know, I'm gonna be uploading more recently. Wait, what? I'm gonna be uploading more, but I don't know. It was an off day. This past week it's been off. I couldn't upload videos, but I'm back now. I'm gonna be uploading. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, stay stay here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'm really coming back, bro. It was an off week, but now I'm back. I'm dropping a video every single day. I'm not dropping a video every single day. But go ahead, bro. Do what y'all gotta do. You know, I'll be back next time, you know what I'm saying?